Today, we're going to go over all the different categories that DoorDash use to judge their drivers to see whether or not they can be trusted, to see whether or not they're going to be able to get these high orders and go to these clients that actually have the big bucks and tip the big bucks. They take a lot of these things into account, but we're going to go over each one specifically. First one, we have the acceptance rate. The acceptance rate is how often are you taking orders. It goes based upon a rolling 100. So for me, I can only get to a 69%. Anything lower than a 69%, I lose my platinum status, and we don't want to do that. Completion rate is how many orders did you accept that you completed. They have a really low tolerance for you unassigned orders, so make sure that if you accept it, you complete it unless there's a real reason for you to unassign, and if it's a real reason, usually they don't penalize you. The on-time rate, now this one's capped. I know for a fact I'd be dipping and dodging, but it is what it is. My on-time rate is 96%, which means 96% of the time I'm getting my food to my customers on time, which means it shouldn't be cold, but I digress. Quality rate is the amount of orders that you have without any reportings of negative issues. So like say for instance, if you have some food in the front seat and you have to slam on your brakes and it flies and the box crushes up against the floor and you deliver it to them in the bad quality, that is your quality rate. Customer rating, we all know what that is. That's what the customer rates you and your service. I'm sitting at a 4.93 because I had a hater. Gave me a 1 star, but it is what it is. And then, as you can see at the bottom, in the last 30 days, I did 355 deliveries. In a lifetime, I did 1,168, guys. So these are my scores. These are my numbers. And based upon this is a very good quality score. You want to make sure that if you are looking at your ratings and your scores, you are in this generalized category because this shows DoorDash that you can be trusted, and that's when you're going to get those high value, high ticket orders, those VIP customers that we be talking about, guys. Please make sure that you follow me for more DoorDash tips. I'm thinking about dropping a guide. If you are interested, put guide in the comment section, and we'll see what we can do. Much love. Peace.